When expanding operations, a VPN for Amazon can really help your team and your business. I'll show you the breakdown in today's video. Okay, so Seller Assistant app has a VPN specifically for Amazon sellers, and I already talked to the owner of the company, and he created the VPN specifically because teams needed a VPN to access wholesale websites, to do proper product research, especially if your team is overseas in the Philippines, India, Bangladesh, all other countries. A VPN works really well. And not only do they have a VPN, they've got tons of other tools that are specifically for Amazon sellers. So I'm just going to show you a little bit overview of the VPN, see how fast it is, and kind of give you just a breakdown. So if we log in right now, and again, they do have a free trial. There's a link in the description for a discount if you wanted it. But anyway, the VPN, click install. Here it is. See the other tools right here. And we're opening it up, and I'm actually running the VPN right now. Okay, so I am located in Florida, the state of Florida in the United States. And if I go to speedtest.net, it says that this is my VPN or my IP address right here. So it doesn't think I'm in Florida. I'm just going to double check NordVPN location. Let's just see where it thinks I'm at. Here you go. Let's see if it's working pretty much. Where's my IP address? It thinks I'm in Chicago. So it thinks I'm in Chicago. So it's definitely working. Right? And even if it says unprotected, I'm actually protected because, again, it thinks I'm in Chicago, but I'm really far from Chicago. We're going to see how fast it actually is. So 60 ping, right? Not too bad. 30 megabytes per second. I mean, it gets the job done, right? It's increasing. I mean, steadily increasing, not bad at all for an app that comes with it. And again, it has a free trial. The upload speed is extremely good. Can't complain about that. So overall, it definitely gets the job done, right? So we can double check on that and then look at other things. Now, the other important thing is, how does it do on Amazon search? So right when I go to Amazon, it automatically thinks that I'm in Chicago. It's got that Chicago zip code. So we're also going to do a search. Let's just do multivitamin. And again, the speed seems like it's fast enough. Well, very good. And it thinks, again, if I wasn't in the US, it would think I'm in the US right now. It's got that address. It's showing me that Prime 2-day shipping, or fastest delivery today, 1-day shipping. And the load time is very solid. Like it's easy to get that. So not bad at all for a VPN. And then we can also, I think if we turn this off, let me just see. I'm going to keep it connected. But you also have other locations. So if you were trying to find different suppliers, we've got a lot of other locations right here. We've got different settings in here, account details, leak protection, bypass proxy, rate us, privacy policy, FAQs, home. So a lot of different things just in this little app. And it's great for product research. Again, not too bad. Speed's decent. Everything's decent. And especially with the tool for Amazon sellers, right? I've tried Helium 10, Jungle Scout, AMZ Scout. None of them include a VPN. So a VPN does make that game changer, so you don't have to spend any extra money. And again, they have a free trial, so you can try it out. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to be fully managing your inventory. We're doing product research for you. We're finding wholesalers, finding private labels, creating the products, helping you launch. And of course, if you're already launched on Amazon, we're doing your advertising, your design, your copywriter, and helping you increase sales. The benefit of this service is you can spend time expanding your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations for you, helping you save time, money, and increasing your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.